Today we're gonna go through 2 different beauty box subscriptions. This is the last Birchbox I will ever receive. I am never re-signing up. I low-key think that Birchbox is a scam. For $20, you should be getting a lot more than you do. And this one, they just got me before I could cancel it. This is what it looks like when you open her up. The first thing I'm pulling out is by Estate, and it is the Do Me, it is the Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. And this is what it looks like. I typically like Estate products, okay? They're pretty good. This is what it looks like. All their stuff pretty much looks like this. And the highlighter on the inside is very, very beautiful. Very pearlescent. You know, let's try it on right now. Let's just do a little try on right now. I did jack my makeup up last time I did it. Y'all may have seen that video. I tried to clean it off a little bit before I filmed this one. So that's why my makeup looks a little smudgy. Not as opaque as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. And by the way, baby girl isn't here. So if you hear any whans or any, cute little baby noises, that's from my little baby girl sitting right here next to me. You can't see her, but she there. The next thing that I'm pulling out is by Air Repair. And it is a moisturizer, and this is what it looks like. You see a little baby hand. Safety seal. Okay, we got a safety seal. It's very thick. This is very thicky thick. It just has like a typical skincare moisturizing smell. All right, Bookie, I guess you want to be in the video. Say hi to the people. This is the anti-chafe stick, and it's with shea butter and colloidal oatmeal. And this is from First Aid Beauty. I guess you put it on between your thighs. When it comes to us with those thunder thighs, when we go walking, our legs, when they rub together, don't cause friction and welts and all sorts of uncomfortable things happening between your thighs. I usually don't have any issues with chafing, but sometimes I do. On those days where it's real hot, you get real sweaty, and you don't got pants on that, gives you some protection. You wear a skirt. So I will keep this in my arsenal just in case, because those thick thighs, they don't tell lies, but they definitely do chafe. This is so itty bitty. Okay, this is very, very itty bitty. You think that's funny, itty bitty? And this, I guess, Lock by Lock, L-O-C? I don't know. And this is a liquid shimmer shadow. And this is what it looks like. This is the shade. Ooh, very pretty. Ooh, now this is actually really pretty. That is gorgeous. And you see, it's not super streaky. It went down beautifully. I'm happy about this. I just wish it wasn't so itty bitty. And the last thing in here is by Dose or Dose. I don't know. What is this? Besides dusty, it's hella dusty. Lip Definer Twist. Okay, it's a lip liner, and it is in the color 492. This dried down really fast. I was trying to sit baby girl down. I thought this was gonna rub all up on her cute little outfit, and it didn't go nowhere. Okay, it did not go anywhere. This is what it looks like. It's a nice deep shade. Ooh, okay, this is nice. This is actually really nice. So it's a nice deep plum, very beautiful. I actually got some really nice plum lip glosses. Yeah, I actually got some really nice plum lip glosses in my Ice Cream Beauty bag, so they will definitely go really well with this lip liner. So, I mean, this wasn't actually bad. This Birchbox actually wasn't bad, but $20, would I pay $20 for these items? No, I would pay maybe $10. Moving on, comes with a little code. Let's see, whoever wants to use the code, if it's still good, I don't know. Oh yeah, no. It's no good. That code is old and won't do nothing for you. And everything comes out cute, wrapped up real cute and girly like. This is from Kiehl's, and I think this is like a takeover box. This is the Ultra Facial Cream, and this is what it looks like. I've never used their products before, so this is what it looks like. Let me see, do it stank? No, it just has like a typical like fragrance-free scent, if that makes sense. The next thing is the same brand with creamy eye treatment with avocado. I got so many eye creams. Very cool. Does it smell like avocado? Well, does avocado have a smell? I don't know. It smells the same as the other stuff. So you get this little pot worth of stuff. Again, same brand, and this is the Rare Earth Deep Pore Cleansing Mask. And this is what it looks like. It doesn't smell like anything, and this is what it looks like. Very thick. We're gonna have to try that. We might have to just do a full Kiehl's, or however you say that, skincare routine with all the stuff we got in this box. Ugh, I hate packets. Like I really hate little packets like this. This is the Better Screen UV Serum with collagen peptide. It's just a little packet thing. I'll probably just toss this. I don't like little packets like this. I can't do nothing with that. The next thing is the Ultra Facial Cleanser, and it's for all skin types. This is what it looks like. No safety seal. Okay, no safety seal. It has a very strong scent to it, very chemically kind of scent to it. I don't know if I like that. I might have to, like, when I put it on my face, then I could tell you what it really smells like, but it smells kind of chemically. I don't know. I guess there's no free gift in this one. You know, like how like they always have like a cute little free gift that has nothing to do with anything else in the box. I guess it's just because it's a takeover box, you just get what you get, and there's no like cute little bag or charm or whatever the heck. This is the, again, Kiehl's Truly Targeted Acne Clearing Solution. So this is for your little spots. It's got a little doopy doop. Doesn't smell like anything. So this is for little acne treatments. Currently, your girl's skin is doing pretty good. So I don't really need any acne treatments or anything like that. But because it's not safety sealed, I'm not gonna put it in a giveaway. I like to put away things that are in the safety seal or it comes in a nice little box so that you guys know I ain't been in y'all stuff. So I will keep it, and if I do get a little pimple, I will try it out and see, maybe. Cause I gotta read the ingredients and see if it'll be safe for pregnancy. Cause you know, your girl big pregnant. That was everything in the Macy's bag. Honest bag box. I don't really know too much about that brand, so I can't be super hype about it. The Birchbox was actually not that bad, but still not worth no damn $20. $10 at most. It wasn't worth no damn $20. All right, baby girl. Let's say goodbye to the people. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe so that you can become a Faye Bae. And I will see y'all with the next one. Deuces.